Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. Here, we want to explain about our analysis about the procedural video. The group members are Apreciela Amanda Putri Nugroho, Naufalita Ardhiani, and Zinzy Adzani Asher.
Okay, now I will explain to you the procedure video about how to borrow ebooks and more with the Ohio Digital. The social function of this procedure video is to show people how to tell people how to locate the site, log into account, search and borrow an item, and place hold and locate your holds and loans so they don't have difficulties. Speaker. The speaker of this procedural video is a trainer from the Stark Library. The speaker gives the watcher a lot of detailed information about all the procedure. People who wants to access it can easily learn because the information given is complete, so there is only a small room for mistakes. And if there is some difficulties or if you need any more information, you can always contact her at her trainer at starklibrary.org. How to log in the site and access it. First, go to starklibrary.org, click the service bar, click the 24/7 online digital library, click ebooks, click the Overdrive Libby or Overdrive, info, and then info about how to borrow and different options to start your account. Click Open Overdrive, which leads to the Ohio Digital Library, and then click the Sign In button. Select your library and enter your library card number or online number. In your account, you can locate your loans, holds, wish list, rated titles, and recommendations and settings. Click Search, search your favorite author, click your option, and it will show many options of available now, coming soon, and recommend to library, which means available, means you can borrow it now, but if it says wait list, you have to wait or place a hold. Click on the three dot next to the author's name. In there is read a sample, view detail, and you may also like. How to borrow an ebook. Click borrow, choose how long you want to borrow the book for, and click borrow. Read it in Kindle, browser, or download it. Click download. How to place a hold. Click the place to hold on a book. Click the X to leave the page. How to access loans and holds. Click My Account or Bookshelf. On the left-hand side, click Loans or Hold. How to locate loans. Click Loans. On the right side will show you where your loans are. How to return the book. Click Return and click Return Title, and then click X to return to the page. How to see notifications. Click Bell to see notifications to see which books to download. To allocate holds, click Edit Email for notifications. Click Suspend Hold to temporarily put on the shelf. When ready to read, click it again so you can access it again. Click Remove if you want to remove hold. How to return to home page. Just click the logo to go to the home page.
Next, I want to explain about how to apply for a student visa to the US. The social function of this procedure video is to explain the viewers, especially the students from all over the world who want to study at any college or university in US, the requirements and the steps to get the temporary citizenship in the US. The requirements needed: first, list of schools, Then I-20 form, F1 student visa application, US consulate or embassy, form I-539, and computer with internet access is optional. The steps. First, select the school you would like to attend and start the admission process as early as possible before applying for your student visa. Second, wait for the school to accept you, at which time they will issue you the student and I-20 form so you can get your student visa. Third, obtain and fill out the F1 student visa application. Be sure to read and understand all the rules and expectations upon entering the country. Fourth, visit a U.S. consulate or embassy with both the I-20 form and F1 student visa application to start the approval process. Fifth, obtain Form I-539 from a U.S. consulate or embassy if you are already in the country and want to change your status to a foreign student. You will need your I-20 form and to pay a fee. The last step is move to the U.S. no sooner than 30 days before the first class date. Once you're here, get your study on and make your family and country proud.
Okay, I want to explain about how to get a university scholarship to study in the UK. So the social function of this procedure video is to explain other people from different countries about the types of university scholarships in the UK and also how to get the scholarships in the UK. The speaker is Valeria from mindthegrad.com. The speaker would like to guide us towards our dream education and career in the UK. For many prospective students, the main obstacle or problem with coming to study in the UK is the cost of education. To be honest, it's very hard to get free education in the UK. By free means fully funded by a scholarship, government, or university. But you can get a scholarship from many UK universities. You can expect to get 10 to 50% reduction on your fees of the course. Also keep in mind, the higher the level of study you're going to pursue, the higher the chances of you getting a scholarship. The few types of university scholarships in the UK. The first one is based on educational excellence. These types of grants are solely based on the grades you are going to get on your exams. Second, based on the country you are from. If you are coming from a developing country and you never studied abroad and you are willing to come back to your home country to make a positive impact, many UK universities will consider to sponsor you. The third one, based on the school you are currently studying at. For example, many schools have ties to UK universities. School-specific grants are usually given to students with exceptional grades. The fourth, course-specific. So, there are some scholarships available from universities overall, but there are also spirit schools within universities, such as School of Engineering or Business Studies, that provide specific scholarships. Fifth, based on sport achievement. It means some kind of achievement you have on national or international level in any sport. Obviously, the university will consider if your achievement is significant enough for a scholarship. But to keep in mind, if you have some exceptional talent, if you are good at any sport, you should use it to get a scholarship. Next is how to obtain a scholarship. Number one, research. Do research, check the criteria. Are your grades good enough? Are you from the country the scholarship requires you to be from? And are you meeting the deadlines? So many universities offer very specific unique scholarships. Number two, apply to universities. Before applying for a scholarship, you usually have to apply for university. This is the case for most undergraduate scholarships. For a master, sometimes you can be considered for a scholarship along with application, for PhD as well, and preparing all this application. Number three, apply for a scholarship. Once you get an offer, that's when a scholarship application comes in. It's better for emailing the universities to find out what are the requirements for a scholarship application. The website could be clear, but still what if there are any changes? There are four main things that could be part of your scholarship application. First one is motivational letter. The second thing is reference letter. The third one is required from you is to attend an interview at the university. And the last one is a financial documents. Wait for amazing news and hope for the best. If you put best effort and application, you will get something, but make sure your plan is in a good progress. So do your best. Okay, we are think that that's enough from our group. Thank you for watching our videos. We are so sorry if we have any mistakes. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.